Today is stay pay day, which means we should be in the fields piling beets, but instead we're going on an adventure.
As two totally responsible adults, of course the reasonable choice is to spend our stay pay money today.
Seriously, our job is out there, but today our goal is to spend every single last penny of stay pay on adventure and a UND hockey game, baby.
We have $154.88 to spend, so buckle up and spend our stay pay with us.
Let's go!
Hey, go get the alarm.
Okay, give me 1 second. Hey, wannabes, it is 5 a.m.
Don't forget to call the hotline number.
Yeah, let's see if we're going to work today.
Please enter the first 2 letters of the receiving station you are calling about. The Oslo station tentatively plans to start stockpile harvest on Monday, October 6th at 8 p.m.
Today's Saturday, October 4th. They don't plan to open until Monday night. We're going back to bed. Good morning, wannabes. After sleeping in and making a couple phone calls, we decided that the best use of our stay pay would be to go see a UND hockey game. We decided to call the visitor center, ask them what's going on this Saturday, and they said that, hey, you know what? The first hockey game of the season is tonight, and hockey's a big deal here. So tonight, we're gonna be fighting Hawks fans. I would kill for an orange juice right now.
Bruh, me too.
Are you almost ready?
Almost.
Let me see. Oh, pretty.
40.
So the thing is, we still don't have tickets, and what we think we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the ticket, what's it called?
Box office?
Excuse me, the box office, and try and get the cheapest tickets we can, because we're trying to make this money stretch today. For all my Latino viewers out there, today is the classic struggle breakfast, if you will, of any Latino household. Jamón con huevos and un poquito de queso. Here you go, love. Jamón con huevo.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. All right, let me try it out.
Let me try it out.
Oh, masterpiece. As you can tell, the weather's pretty nice out. We picked a good stay pay day, but that's the whole reason we're staying at home is because the weather is too nice.
Right. So if the weather or if the temperature is above a certain degree, the sugar beet essentially starts to rot. And we'll also get a stay pay day if the weather is below a certain temperature, because then the beet will freeze, and once it goes into the pile, then it'll rot. So this is all very weather dependent, and hence why we're staying home today, because it's just way too warm for the next 3 days.
Beginning of the harvest, really.
Oh. How long do you think we're gonna go?
Oh.
Like, how many consecutive days do you think we'll have before another stay pay day? So, do you want to make this like an official bet? What do you think?
Yeah. Why would we not do that?
Okay.
Okay.
So what are the parameters of this bet?
So if we work all 15 days straight, no stay pay, no breaks, no nothing, you have to get rid of 3 hats. You know you have like 100 of them. I told you it's gonna be savage.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because you have so many.
That's totally not fair. I wear all of them.
It doesn't matter. There's too many of them. We live in this small space.
They're literally all right there.
And they're all hideous.
They're all right there. You don't even, it doesn't bother you.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Oh.
Okay, fine. You're saying we're working straight through, so that's a lot easier. I think we will get at least 2 more stay pays.
Oh.
Okay? So if we get 2 more, you have to dump the black tank for a month.
Not a month. That's not fair.
I don't care. If you're making me get rid of my hat, you have to dump the black tank for a month. Deal or no deal?
No, I'm just kidding. Deal.
Alright. You're screwed.
You're screwed.
Oh.
Like I said, we're trying to make this money last. I feel like I saw on TikTok or some video somewhere saying that if you go to the actual box office, sorry, struggling to get my shoes on. If you go to the actual box office, then there's not all of these fees that like StubHub, you know, all those ticket places have. So hopefully they still have some tickets left. We'll go see and find out.
Wait, on top of this stay pay stuff, what are the rules? Like, if we need gas, is that coming out of the stay pay?
No, that's just like that's just normal stuff.
Okay.
So stay pay is only fun money. I just think it's so awesome that we get to spend time in towns like this. You know, we get to like, I didn't know Grand Forks was a university town, like at all. I had no idea. But
truly the way they made it sound, like with the hiring process to come here was like, you're in the middle of nowhere, expect nothing.
Expect nothing. But now that we're here, Grand Forks is such a cute town, and I would love to live in a college town. I think that's such a fun like way to like raise a family.
Yeah.
And the whole point of us traveling around is to figure out where we would want to settle down one day. And let me tell you, North Dakota was never on that list.
No, it's quickly jumped up there.
Mm-hmm.
I would say I would rather live in Grand Forks than Missoula.
Okay, I think we're hoping to spend like $50 or $60 per ticket, which will eat up most of our budget, but this is the main event, obviously.
Hey, you guys still have tickets for tonight's game?
Okay, so we have some $40 tickets in the lower bowl.
Okay.
It's propping up right at 114 in row I, and that's going to be about 9 rows up. Otherwise, we have $25 seating up in the upper bowl area.
40? Yeah. 40?
What do you think?
I think that sounds good.
Yeah, let's do the 40 ones.
Yeah.
I am not sure, but I'm picking
Cool.
up for her.
Hey, little lady. Look at this. Sporty girl.
Hey, look, more hats. I think I need this.
That's cute. That's your vibe.
Hawaiian shirt? Oh, for Carter. I've been saying we need something to throw for him.
This mouth is too small, though.
It's not too small. Do I need this foam finger? Okay, as the kids say, back secured, and they give us like actual tickets. I haven't had an actual ticket in years. That's awesome.
I know. I'm so excited.
However, that gift shop has inspired us. I think we're gonna go thrift some.
I think so.
Thrift some merch for this.
Let's go to college
some
town.
gear for this game tonight. Let's go, let's go.
Kind of wanted to see like how much money we saved. A few rows up from us, $88 each a ticket. And we just paid, what, $40 a ticket?
Yeah.
Go to the box office, people. Here's our first stop, 701 thrift store. It's not too promising, but it's close to the university, which makes me think there could be some good stuff.
The thrift gods were not on our side today.
No.
We're at the Walmart.
You know how we know that they have gear at the Walmart? Because we've been here 30 times since being at the Beet Harvest.
Yep. Because we were told there was not going to be a single Walmart or anything around. Here's all they have left.
This is it?
Yeah,
The Missoula one had better.
they really did.
What's a girl gonna do? What do I
No.
mean?
Okay, we've clearly found nothing. Over under that these are gone.
At the first thrift
At
store?
the first thrift store, yeah.
I think out of spite she moved them. She did not like us filming in there.
No, we walked in, she was like, "Are you videoing?"
Yes we are.
Like, yeah, we're content creators.
No, we're not.
Okay, let's just go back and see if we find them again.
Hope for the best. Alrighty guys, we got our gear. Came out to $16.31. You know, a little more than the $10 limit I gave myself, but nonetheless.
And a little more than the $15 limit I thought we would be at on, like,
Yeah.
so.
I don't know, but we found nothing at all of the other stores, so we kind of had to get what was given to us.
There's a thrift store right there.
Oh, they don't look like they have clothes though. But anyways, we got our gear. We're heading home. Get ready for the game. A little campground riff, if you will.
Some little gossip from the sugar beet harvest.
So the campground we're at is like in the midst of being sold apparently, and they have all of these rules. Obviously it's a campground, they have rules.
So there was a guy that was directly behind us. He was way over there, then he moved over here. Sugar beet harvest gentlemen. They were
They were trying to wash.
They were like, there was a sticky spot on their trucks that were washing it.
They were like washing it. You know, bucket water, a little bit of.
Literally, it was the one spot that the guy was washing, and this lady drove by and goes, "Are you washing your car?" And he's like, "Yeah." I just one spot, right? Whatever. She goes, "That's $100 fine."
Which is like, that's just a ridiculous number to even begin with.
Yeah.
But what's funny is,
mind you, the map that they give you of the campground says $25 fee if you're washing your rig or your truck or anything. So where this $100 fine came from, we have no idea.
But mind you, these are the new owners back behind us, and he's pressure washing his rig.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see the pressure washer going, but that's insane.
Alrighty, we're all decked out in game day gear. We have a whopping 58:57 left to spend. We're going to the hockey game about an hour and a half early because I've never been to a hockey game. I don't know what to expect.
I've also never been to a college hockey game, so I don't know if there's any tailgating or what, free food. We're gonna go find out for you guys.
Yeah, just for you. Thought while we were in the car, you know how they like shoot t-shirts and stuff at games? Like, what if they shoot Beets? And then your two front teeth go missing just like the hockey players. If you're coming here, free parking in the neighborhoods. Don't pay $10, $15, just walk.
At the moment, it's a 6 out of 10. The vibes are there, but they clearly don't know how to throw a party because there's no alcohol or food. This is a small one, you think?
Yeah, I think so.
I think this is a small one. And it's going to be $5 today. I don't have your money.
Oh, these smell so good.
Ash was saying it smells like cookies, but it doesn't. It smells like Buc-ee's because of these nuts.
It does. What do we get?
Ultra. We are 2 points up. Time for a little snack break and maybe another beer run, if you will.
I want a corn dog.
I want a corn dog.
That's
Jesus Christ.
That's rough. Another $10 has come and gone.
What are we at? $24.91. What's left?
And that's the rest of our money. Well, our stay pay day is officially over, and we have a whopping $7.57 left to our name. And I think you'd like to know that we're going to put that right in our savings account. Thank you so much for enjoying our stay pay day with us. Later, wannabes.